Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 3 car dual dash cams. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Product number 3, Vantrue E360 Dashcam. Specifications. Brand name, Vantrue. App compatibility, iOS, Android. Audio recorded, yes. Screen ratio, 4:3. View angle, 360 degrees. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Max external memory, 512 GB. Number of lenses, 2. Imaging sensor, Sony Starvis 2 IMX678. GPS logger, internal. Chipset manufacturer, Silicon. Display, IPS. Interface, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, micro SD/TF. Warranty, 18 months. Weight, 614 g. Product number 2, Redtiger F77 Dashcam. Specifications. Brand name, Red Tiger. Input and output, Type-C. App compatibility, Android/iOS. Screen ratio, 16:9. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Max external memory, 256 GB. Number of lenses, 1. Imaging sensor, GC4653. Pixels, 500 mega. Display size, 3" to 5. Battery, built-in. Chipset manufacturer, Silicon. Display, LCD. Warranty, 18 months. Weight, 0.8 kilograms. Product number 1, Basius 3K Dashcam. Specifications. Brand name, Basius. Aperture, f1.5. Maximum video frame rate, 30 fps. Screen ratio, 4:3. Camera resolution, 2560 by 1440. Number of lenses, 2. Imaging sensor, GC4653. Pixels, 500 mega. Display size, 3". Chipset manufacturer, Novatech. Frames per second, 30. Interface, micro SD/TF. Product material, ABS plus PC. Power input, DC 5V and 1.5A, max.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.